Alright, got one more of these rookie retro. Actually, the last one from this case I had to ship box 2, and Brian's going to do the last one, box number 3. 2011 rookie retro. Alright. Keep purple on top. And we got... who is that? Giovanni? I think it's Gallardo. Oh no, Trevor Garrett. I'm sorry. I was trying to read the name. I wasn't even looking at the picture. Taylor, that guy, Gary. And the other one is Mike Trout X-Fractor BGS 9.5 Bowman Draft Picks. Autograph. And that's serial number to 225. Bam. Cool. Mike Trout autograph. There's the grades. 10, 9.5, 9.5, 9 for surface. That's cool. Mike Trout. Bowman Draft. That'll do it. Brian's actually on the phone listening, so Brian, appreciate it, man. Alright, I'll get it out. See ya.